This is standing hip abduction. So I only really use this if moving the leg through gravity, as in like laying on your side, is too hard to do or too painful. This is where we start. So it's a very basic exercise. All right, so basically all you have to do is grab a counter, right? And this is the motion here. Just go down to the side, okay? Make sure your hips are parallel to the ground, like that. So don't do this or over hike, right? You don't want your foot to turn out. So kind of lead with your heel and think of going a slight degree back and diagonal like that, okay? If you start to turn out this way, you're using a different muscle or biasing a different set of muscles, a piriformis. If your leg starts to creep forward, you're using your TFL a little more. You want to feel it right here through the top of the hip. This is glute medius and minimus. By the way, it's normal to feel it on this one too because it's stabilizing, it's supporting the hip. That's what's one of its main roles. So do that for high repetition, nice and slow. The other tip too is don't over hike. If you start to get a pelvic hiking, you're biasing more of this QL muscles. That's not the intention here. If we want to target this, that's the motion, okay? As that gets easier, you can put a band around your knees and then even get down to the ankles to make it a little more challenging.